This bridge is coming up here with Mommy. More logs. Put them in the pile. And that should be it. Maybe a little brush cleanup.
Hi. My mom wanted me to record for a minute to hear what I'm doing. Oh, here you go. Here you go.
Yeah, I think you like that.
Got a new cameraman.
Yay.
Alright, here's a pop of logs that we sawed up. Let's get a good idea how big they are. 16 inches.
It looks like 16 and a half.
Yep, about 16 inside the bark. 16 foot.
Poison ivy log.
What's this one?
Poison ivy.
Yep, there's a 15 inch.
What's this one, Reg?
Poison ivy.
Got a 13. See, that's across the butt. That one's hard to tell with the notch on it.
Kind of tight like that.
That one's 18 and 19. And we got
Poison ivy.
16 inch. So anyway, that's some of the bigger ones. And you can tell that the saw really cuts pretty quick, but with the big trees, it's still a good idea to have the butt of it sitting on something a little bit so it don't bust. But smaller stuff, it'll go right on through it. A lot of times it cuts so fast. I also had people ask me how big a stick you can cut with one swipe with this. So let's see here. If you start right there, you come this way, depending on where the bar is at, you are at 26 and a half, give or take, a little over 26.
Yeah.
So if it was up here like that, it might be 27. I think it's advertised as 27, but anyway, that right there at that
Grapple
point.
Saw is bigger.
This one is bigger, yeah. The 200 is bigger than the 125, but it's the same bar and chain.
Well, it makes sense because it's a 200 and a 125 or whatever it's called.
That's right.
Littler than
That's
200.
right.
But if 200 was littler than 125,
Hi, Smokey.
stupid.
And but you're still not limited to just 26 or 27 inches.
You can put a bigger chain on it.
But you're still not limited to just 26 or 27 inches. Because you can go around to the other side of the tree, or you can roll the log over. or chunks or what have you. So it's you can possibly cut a lot more than 26 or 27 inches. And another thing that that was really good, is really great about these, is how well the chain stays on the bar. That's another question we get. You can see where we were limbing up this
Yeah.
this scraggly hickory. You can tell
Yeah,
how
that
many
was pretty
limbs-
cool how much it limbed it up like that.
Yeah, you can tell how many limbs were on
It was a lot.
And hickory is like rubber. A lot of times when you try to cut it, it'll twist and bend. That's the easiest way to throw a chain off a saw, was cutting limbs like that.
And that one was great.
And it never came off.
Nope.
It's still tight too. So the precision that you can get with it, trying to knock all these limbs off, that's really something. Because that was another question that we had about limbing stuff up. I think people just don't realize what you can do with these, with the grapple saw. Once you get used to it and mess with it, I mean, you can like we did earlier, you can twist it and cut forks off of the trees just like a chainsaw. I mean, it's almost unlimited what you can do with it. And when we were pulling those big trees, pulling the big ones up the hill, I might not be able to tell it's kind of a hill. When we were pulling them up the hill, tree length, trying to get them up the hill so we could get them sawed, we were pretty hard on this thing, the way we were pulling on it. And everything is still in good shape on it. I mean, we didn't tear anything
Didn't
up.
miss a lick.
No, didn't miss a lick. So they're really a lot tougher than people realize they are. They do a great job. A whole lot better than a chainsaw. So got two pretty decent good some logs and a good pile of pulpwood and firewood, and
Off to the mills.
And we didn't touch the chainsaw, like we said. So there you
So,
go.
What's that when we cut
So come on by Reaves Timber, call us, check out our website, and you can get these Halverson 200 grapple saws and a line of other products as well. So give us a call, check us out. Thanks. See y'all later.